English around the world. Nature in the United States. The United States is the world's fourth largest country and has different climate types. Humid continental in the north, humid subtropical in the south, alpine in the western mountains, semi-arid in the Great Plains, desertic in the Great Basin and Southwest, Mediterranean in coastal California, oceanic in coastal Oregon and Washington. The U.S. ecology is considered megadiverse. You can find over 17,000 species of plants and more than 400 mammal species, 750 bird and 500 reptile and amphibian species. About 91,000 insect species. Nature in the USA is wonderful everywhere. The United States has 58 protected areas known as national parks. Parks are operated by the National Park Service. Let's visit some of them. Grand Canyon, Arizona. Sequoia National Park, California. Yosemite National Park, California. Yellowstone, Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho. Arches National Park, Utah. Glacier National Park, Montana. Olympic National Park, Washington. And more. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, Hawaii. Badlands National Park, South Dakota. Everglades National Park, Florida. Crater Lake National Park, Oregon. Big Bend National Park, Texas. Some emblematic animals: black bear, grizzly bear, bighorn sheep, moose, bison, gray squirrel, beaver, coyote, gray fox, puma, squaw ringtail, alligator. Nature is part of everyday life. Wildlife is present everywhere, even in cities. Nature is a very important source of income. Don't miss all the units. Thanks to everyone who shared their pictures and videos.